Hello, this is Ryder with Collectiv. Today we'll be talking about Smart Narrative, a new feature added to Power BI. So what is Smart Narrative? It's a visual that provides a top-down overview of your data and generates key takeaways that would guide the user experience throughout your dashboard. It's also customizable to your needs, depends on who your users are. So let's dive into it. If you don't already have Smart Narrative in your visualizations board, let's add it from options. Once you're in options, go to preview features and check on the Smart Narrative visuals. Click on Smart Narrative to add an automated visuals. What's great is once you change a filter on your page, these numbers would also change. But let's say total revenue and profit margin difference is not what you're really looking for, then you might need to create something else. These are automatic, but you can also create them from scratch. Let's go over here on total revenue by profit center, right click, and there's the option to summarize. Once you click on summarize, Power BI will create your narrative. And this would make it a little bit more tailored to your user or whatever you're trying to convey. Let's say you want to show that Durablocks accounted for how much of the total revenue. For your time period, you can change the time period here to see this number changed here. What's more is you could also create your own. Let's click on add value and ask Power BI a question. What is the product name with the lowest profit margin ratio? And you should name your value. From there, you can format the results. Since this is not a number, there's nothing you can do about it. Save it. And now this will show up on your visuals. Let's try another one. Profit margin ratio by top channel city. This will give you a numerical value. So from here, just select what that value should be formatted as, save your value with names, and see it changes. Awesome. So that is the Smart Narrative. Make sure that you edit your text box or the extra text that you want to convey to your users so that it makes sense to them and that it's convey everything that you're trying to summarize on the page that you are on. Thank you for watching. Follow Collectiv on LinkedIn and YouTube for more Power BI tips. See you next time.